Hey folks, thank you for clicking on this video. Just as a brief intro, I am an attorney. I don't work actually in watch-related law. I'm just a fan of watches. I'm no expert, not an expert at all. I actually started this video when I was very much a novice. You can look back in those early videos and see how much I knew nothing about watches, using the wrong terminology, and you can still see that sometimes. But honestly, it's just I'm learning as I go, and it's a learning process, it's a growing process, and I'm enjoying it. I hope you guys enjoy it with me. And if you like this content, please subscribe. Uh, if you like the video, like the video. If you have suggestions or a comment, please leave it below. And without further ado, on to the video. Hello everyone. We have another double unboxing for you today. So this one has particularly a lot of ink, so I'm gonna actually cut this open off screen and bring back whatever's inside it. Now, I believe both of these were whatnot purchases, but I can confirm a little better out here. So let's see. I'm still unboxing here. Okay. Yeah. So this is a pretty large pouch, and I have purchased from this person before. They sent me another stamped card. It's a nice touch. It's a nice personal touch that they add on. Yeah. So that's the third item I purchased from them. And as you can tell, there's a lot of watch straps here. So it looks like I logged in while they were focusing more on the watch straps than watches. They do have a lot of watch straps. They have actually a lot of products for sale. Yeah, you can see I bought quite a few bundles of watch straps. Okay, might need to block out my name because it was just revealed to all of you right there. So I'll try to fix that in editing. So that'll extend the process of actually getting this video out. But these are a lot of different watch straps, as you can see. Many watch straps. Let's take a look at them. As a previous video, you saw that I bought some cases, so I know how to handle these. I have a lot of them now. So, wait, where's this? Okay, here. So I have a lot of watch straps, as you can see. Some of them are pretty nice here. Okay. Yeah. This is pretty nice, but it's missing a few things. Like there's no buckle, and this is definitely for what do you call it? Maybe butterfly. But yeah. Also, this one's the same situation, but this one's missing. Oh, that's missing. Oh, okay. This one doesn't have. So yeah, deployant buckle. That's what this needs. Deployant buckle. Okay. I'm gonna have to just put these all back in the bag anyway, but let me show you them. All right. Nice. So, lizard calf. Very small, just genuine leather. Some of these I will not be using at all because they're so small. I mean, just my finger is thicker than this. So yeah, here we have another, what is this? Made in Italy, genuine lizard. Okay. Never thought lizard was high end, but okay. So I got another one of these. Okay. Now this one is gonna, I'm planning on using it on a watch I'm building. Yeah, you'll get to see that later. I have another one for that too, but yeah. So another situation where there's no buckle. Very thin crocodile calf. Extremely thin. Extremely thin. What are we thinking thin? Genuine leather, just normal. Just normal. Genuine lizard. More of a basic one, but that's pretty nice. And lizard calf. So yeah, a lot of different ones. A lot of different bands. Some would say too many, but yeah. Let's just put these back in here. Into the one that did not have my name on it. And I'll sort them out later. I'm going to need my own whatnot page just to sell the ones I can't use. But yeah. Let's put this back here. Now let's open this. I am not 100% sure what even is in here. But let's get to it. Okay, that's not working. All right. Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay. Oh, sorry. So, yeah, this is a watch. And with a nice little personalized note as well. Yeah. Let's get this tape off. There we are. Huh. All right. And here we have an automatic Belova. Looks nice. I vaguely remember, I think this was a late night stream. There, it started to run again. You can see a little bit of a crack on the glass. I'm gonna try to use Polywatch, see if it can help out. But the main thing I know is this will not fit me. Which is sad, but I'm gonna have to use a leather band on it. And as you can tell, I have plenty. Oh, I forgot to do the wrist check for you guys. So forgive me, it's so late in the video. But wrist check. I'm wearing my Christopher Ward C8 Pilot. On the band that came with the bronze C60 Trident Pro. I think it suits this watch much more. And it has the clasp from the C60 that's not bronze. So little contribution from both. And now this one is complete with this one, I think. Pilot watch on leather, perfectly fine, perfectly acceptable. This one, I think I can wear it without closing. Oh, no, it fits. Oh, that's a nice little... That's nice luck. It just fits. Enough that I don't actually have to make any adjustments. But that's pretty cool. What do y'all think? I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah. All right. So what do you think about my whatnot purchase? I don't actually not going to need a leather band for this one. I thought I would, but nope, it fits. So yeah. Let me know what you think about my new watch, which is actually quite heavy. And thick. Not the dress watch. I thought it was going to be like a little thin, but nah, it's a nice automatic Bulova. Nothing wrong with that. All right. So I hope you're all enjoying your watches, and hope you're all taking care of each other. All right. See you, everybody. Bye.